I've noticed an issue with this, which I've noticed is a bit of an issue with a lot of these aftermarket calf racer parts. They all seem to be designed to work with aftermarket rear sets. So as you can see here, whenever I press the brake, I'm hitting this. So I feel like I'm going to have to shorten these brackets just a little bit, just to allow that to sit in, and then I think we've got it nailed then. Nice. So the reason I stripped the bike in the first place was because I needed to repaint it. The tank, when I did it originally, was good, but then I spilt a bit of petrol on it and it caused some drips in the paint, so obviously I wasn't very happy with that. And then the seat unit just needed a nice fresh coat, just give it a bit more of a shine, to be honest. And then obviously the belly pan was painted to match the rest of the bike, and I think you'll agree it looks really good. So here I am, putting the BMW badge on. Unfortunately I seem to have lost one when I stripped the bike, so I've only got the one at the moment, so I'm going to have to order a new one of them. So yeah, now I'm putting the fuel cap on and getting ready to put a bit of petrol in it. And this is the final product, all back together with a nice fresh paint. I think you'll agree it looks pretty decent. So yeah, I'm really happy with it this time round. No drips in the paint, no issues, just looks exactly how I wanted it to look. So I thought it was only right to go out for a nice little ride after I've put the bike back together. Had a bit of an issue trying to get the bike started, and then realised that I had actually put the fuel flow lines wrong with that. So yeah, it took me a little bit of time to get that sorted, but once I worked it out, it was an easy fix. So yeah, nice chilly Christmas ride dressed as Santa, why not? So I ordered a new exhaust just to freshen the look, and yeah, I'm really happy with the way this looks. It looks way better than the stubby silver can, and yeah, it sounds pretty good too.